So this is the first year we've used a safety plan, and it has been a real lifesaver when it comes to having students who are saying that they want to hurt themselves. It gives us a script to go by, and it helps us tease out whether or not there's a significant risk. Many students just say these words when they're feeling frustrated, and I think that when we go through some of the questions, it helps them understand that that's a very serious thing to say, and they can understand that we are taking it very seriously, and it helps them know that maybe they either need to change their words if they don't feel that way, or that we're always going to be there to help them through and to help them find coping skills if they really do feel that way. It gives us something to work towards. We list goals, we list coping skills, we list who they can go to for help. So it just keeps us from having to talk off the top of our heads if we are in a crisis situation and are feeling.
And we never know when it's coming. So when we have one of these threats, we know we can go straight to our computers or our file folder and pull this, and we can slow down and ask these questions. Additionally, it helps us when we talk to the parents, saying we have a protocol. This is a Cobb County policy that we're going through this with their kid, and that this student either is at high risk or, and they need to come pick the student up, or if they're just saying it out of frustration and we feel like there's low risk, we still send home a list of resources for outside assessment, but we'll send it home to the parent if they simply can't get to the school so that they can sign it. And that way we also have some documentation that this has happened, so that if it happens again, we have something to talk about, that this is the second time or third time, and in a meeting about a safety plan, it gives us some credence and some documentation about the seriousness of the issues. So we're super glad that we have this, and it's been really helpful. And also the follow-up date on the plan is also helpful for us to remind ourselves to go back and check in with the student.
Yeah, it kind of holds the parents accountable to follow up. If this has happened over and over again, a lot of times you wonder what to do next. And so it shows the parents how serious we are, that we really need them to check with an outside professional before we can say that their student is safe to be here with us at school. So I hope you guys enjoy using it as much as we have. And I hope...
thanks to Missy and Alex for supporting us as counselors, as our supervisors.